to keep it and you have to fold it and you have to keep it in a pillow cover. So if you have an extra lungi in Tamil they used to make a lungi shirt, you don't make a lungi shirt, you better you have to make it like a pillow cover. Tamil Nadu lungi chupangela and pillow cover. And the lungi pillow then I came to Nandi. इसके लिए ऐसा करता है ऐसा मोड़ के सब you have to fold it and you have to stitch it two side and the corner side and then you have to put it inside. two side and stitch பண்ணி இது வந்து மடக்கி सेट करना ऐसा मोड़ के दोनों साइड सिला के इस साइड मोड़ के भी सिला सकते हैं इसको मोड़ के दो साइड सिला के इस साइड का भी सिला सकते हैं तो put it there and see I'm going to make it